In today's fast-paced world, finding a balance between work and personal life can be a real challenge. Many individuals often feel overwhelmed and stressed due to the constant juggling of responsibilities. The key to achieving a healthy work-life balance lies in setting boundaries and prioritizing self-care. Begin by clearly defining your boundaries between work and personal time. Establish specific hours for work and stick to them as much as possible to avoid burnout. Additionally, learn to say no when necessary to protect your personal time and avoid overcommitting. Prioritizing self-care is crucial for maintaining balance. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's spending time with loved ones, engaging in hobbies, or simply taking a break to recharge. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish, but essential for your overall well-being. By setting boundaries, prioritizing self-care, and making time for what truly matters, you can achieve a harmonious work-life balance that allows you to thrive both professionally and personally.